फोंड्या सुरू आशिल्ल्या हायटेक कप ऑल गोवा सिनियर डिव्हिजन व्हॉलीबॉल लीग सर्तीत कॉलनी बॉयज मोल्ले आनी ऑशेल टीमींनी आपापल्यो मॅची जिखल्यो। कॉलनी बॉयजान जवाहर क्लब फोंडाक जाल्यार ऑशेलान सोशल कल्चरल क्लब लोटलीक मारले।
I hope, like the yesterday limelights, like how Sharad Borkar and Ramanan and all these players who were playing before, volleyball may see the light back again. And I think each and every person who is a lover of volleyball should give a helping hand in some way or the other and see that at village levels, like before, the night volleyball comes up and we will have a very good volleyball team even at the national level if this continues. I wish the organizers, Arvind and High-Tech and the volleyball thinkers of Goa a big congratulations for organizing such a beautiful tournament, and it's a boost for the youngsters to come up, and we will see a good team like this and good volleyball promoted in Goa.
Just say the revival of volleyball. We hope this tournament continues and every village will organize some tournament so that it's not only the league. The tournaments which are taking place in all over Goa should be encouraged and regular tournaments should be carried on.
पाचवी वर्सुकी ट्रायथलॉन सर्त 11 फेब्रुवारीक बांबोळी जातली। अंदू हे सर्ती खातीर भारत आनी भायल्या देशांतले मेळून 500 ॲथलेट वांटेकार जावपा खातीर रजिस्टर जाल्यात। रजिस्ट्रेशन हे म्हयन्याचे 29 तारखेमेरेन चालू आसतलें म्हूण आयोजकांनी मिडियाक सांगलें। ट्रायथलॉनात स्विमींग, सायकलिंग आनी रनिंग इव्हेंट फाटोफाट घेतात हे ट्रायथलॉनाचे खाशेलेपण।
Triathlon, which is a combination of swimming, cycling and running. It happens on the 11th of Feb at Bambolim Beach Resort. It starts early in the morning. The flag off for the first event is at 6 o'clock. The second event flags off at 7:15 and the final event, which is the longest event, is at 7:30 or 7:30. This year we've got something new which was not there in the previous years, and that is something called the duathlon. Now the duathlon is an event which is only cycling and running. It doesn't involve swimming. The reason for that is because there are a lot of people who do not know how to swim. And that was, especially swimming in the sea, is something that people, even though it's not a problem, but there are some people who are a little scared of swimming in the sea.
The first one is the Olympic triathlon. That is the main event. That one, the swim is of 1.5 kilometers. The cycle is 40 kilometers. And run is 10 kilometers. Then you have the super sprint triathlon, where the swim is 400 meters, the cycle is 10 kilometers, and the run is 2.5 kilometers. The third one, which is the new category this time, the duathlon, consists of a run, a cycle, and a run again.
But this is a very intense event, swimming, cycling, running, and that people who participate are true competitors. They go out of their capacity to compete and to win. Now when you have these three sports, you anticipate some injuries. Injuries as in sense where our friend from Drushti is going to save some guys. We are there, our paramedics are there, right at the shore, at the beach, to help them out with any unfortunate events, with all the possible equipment which can save them at that particular time.
पणजे कांपाला जिमखानाचे दुसरे वटेन फिटनेस बार ह्या नव्या हायटेक जिमाचे उक्तावण जालें। उक्तावणाक पीडब्ल्यूडी मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकार आनी पणजेचो आदलो आमदार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळेकार आशिल्ले।
The concept of the gym is to make it more interesting, like a bar, where people go, enjoy, people get fit. It's got a concept of food as well, where we are doing healthy food. So it's got a fitness bar. So the bar meaning is not, the bar is a juice bar, salad bar, health food bar, as well as fitness for a good healthy life.
What we are offering out here is an entire lifestyle change. We are the only club in Goa which is certified with Les Mills, which is a New Zealand based company. We've got innovative programs. Our machinery or equipment that we are using is state of the art, and we are definitely one of the most premium clubs today in Goa.
या बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप, ट्विटर आनी फेसबुक, प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.